This video we're going to work through number 5, 8, and 9 in lesson 4.5. So in number 5, they would like us to dilate this pre-image by a scale factor of 1/5. Let's go ahead and first graph our pre-image. Point P is at -10, 0. Q is at -5, 0. R is at 0, +5. And S is at -5, +5. Now my scale factor is 1/5. This is a number less than 1, so I expect this pre-image to get smaller. Remember, to get our new image, we need to multiply the x and y coordinates of our pre-image points by 1/5. So we're going to times all my x and y coordinates by 1/5 to get our new image points. So P prime, -10 times 1/5 is -2. And 0 times 1/5 is 0. Q prime, -5 times 1/5 is -1. And 0 times 1/5 is 0. For R prime, 0 times 1/5 is 0. And 5 times 1/5 is 1. And finally, to get S prime, we're going to multiply again. -5 times 1/5 is -1. And 5 times 1/5 is +1. Let's go ahead and graph our new image points. And we can tell that that quadrilateral definitely got smaller. Right. Number 8, you design a poster on an 8.5 inch by 11 inch paper for a contest at school. The poster of the winner will be printed on a 34 inch by 44 inch canvas to be displayed. So our poster that we designed on, this is the pre-image. This is what we started with. And then it's going to be dilated and printed on a larger canvas. So the canvas is the image. What is the scale factor of this dilation? Remember, to find the scale factor, we simply need to take a length that we know on the image and divide it by its corresponding length on the pre-image. So on our poster that we start with, the pre-image, our length and width was 8.5 inches by 11 inches. And after the dilation, that new length and width becomes 34 and 44. So it doesn't matter whether you choose the lengths or the widths, just make sure they match up. Okay. So I'm going to choose the whole numbers here. So on my pre-image, the width was 11 inches. So I'm going to put that length in the bottom of my fraction. And on the new image, on the canvas, that width becomes 44. So to find the scale factor K, I just need to divide 44 by 11. 44 divided by 11 is 4. The scale factor is 4. A biology book shows the image of an insect that is 10 times its actual size. Okay. The image of the insect is 8 centimeters long. What is the actual length? Okay. So the image, we're given a length on the image we're trying to find the actual length, which is going to be the pre-image, the actual length of the insect. They tell us that the biology book, it enlarged this insect by 10 times. So our scale factor is 10. Okay. So to find the pre-image length, I can use this ratio here again. I know that my scale factor is equal to an image length divided by a pre-image length. Well, my scale factor is 10, so I know that has to be equal to the image length, which is 8, divided by the pre-image length, which is what I do not know. Okay. So there's a couple ways you could think about this. One way to solve this, this is a proportion here. You could think about cross multiplying. So you could do 10 times x equals 1 times 8, which is 8. And then we would divide both sides by 10. Okay. Or you might just know logically that if the image is 8 centimeters long and it increased by 10 times, to get what you started with, you just need to take your image length and divide it by 10 to get the starting length. Okay. So when you do that, 8 divided by 10 gets you 0.8 centimeters.